It's been a long time. I don't even know how this thing works anymore. Present. What happens if I hide this? Doesn't really resize this thing, does it? Let's see, how does this work? Can I resize? Okay, so I probably purposefully didn't do that to keep it in view whenever the banner is showing. Fair enough. All right. It's stormy out there. Cool. So we keep this on. We save that. Update layout. Cool. All right. So we are just reading through papers. We're doing some of it earlier today. I was in a fun call with this guy called Dario and Stefano. So like I had to work around my Twitch problems by logging in on my old MacBook, synchronize StreamYard with Twitch again, um, and here we are. But I guess that's enough. Um, bum, 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 bum. I have to figure out how the chat thing works. Leap loop. All right, so get some rating there. I get some cleanup there. We can force with lease and ask me for the code. There we go. Let's see if that works. Probably I should check. That going just in case. Oh, this is bad, right? It used to be 50 milliseconds, but I'm having a lot of problems at home, so internet-wise, not great. Anyways, we are doing a light migration from one repo to another to clean things up. So let's just get this out of the way. This is going to be website 001 components. I guess we just have to look at maybe just right. TypeScript now. And then I have like dot files. And then I guess this is the one we need. I have like what some, let me just see, I got some GPT related stuff here. I am using Aid a lot. I'm using GPT. Actually, I'm using GPTL a lot more. We're going to do something like that. Go setting up Copilot in Emacs. Where you have this set up. Oh, snap. Oh, crap. How do I do this? Caret mode. Caret mode. Ah, yeah, this is sucky, right? I'm just gonna do that. Copilot L. I guess that's it. Copilot. Yes. Maybe I can just. Well, bootstrap file enables no color not automatically. Do we want to do that? I just want to manually enable it. To accept completion, you can bind a tab key and chain of, let's say, company. Okay, so define my tab. Let's just give this a shot. All right, so if you look at this, define my tab. Company. We don't have company mode, so what's the completion framework we're using? Completion. Warm out here. Bunch of completion problems, deft, orderless. Huh. Scroll, commented out. Console still there. Let's see, console. I still use that. All right, maybe I need to read the docs. All right, give me a code. How do I get a code? Okay, we're going to set it up. Here we go. Copilot. You need access to GitHub Copilot. Let's get that. Compare plans. Plugs right into your editor. Turns natural language. Start a field trial. Blah. Thank you for using run equity put from a simple license management organization-wide policy management. Let's just find out. Organization. Okay. I have to do this offline. And how do I flip the switch? There we go. Ooh, that's a little dark, a little bright. Can I flip the switch? No. Snap. Okay, this is not ideal. Okay, cool. This works. Copy relevant information into the form. All right. Cool. Company credit card. Where is that? Ooh, have to go walk for it, actually. Stefano. Cool, cool, cool. How do I find this bank? But I'm doing a bunch of credit card stuff right now. I'm pretty sure you can't see my screen right now. All right, save. Stop the music. Might be a copyright problem on a profile that doesn't matter. Confirm. Cool, cool, cool. You will be able to change the settings later. Can allow or block just matching public code. Okay. All right, so we're back in the wheelhouse, I guess. So I guess. Right. Work. Find a team or organization member. I don't see anything. Create team. Save and finish. I don't know. Oh, here we go. All right, cool. One seat assigned. Save and finish. Cool. Set up GitHub Copilot. All right. So next step here would be version 27, Emacs Copilot login. Customization. Let's just read through it. Huh. So let's fast track through this. Close this off. These conclusions. I don't need that. Oh, I don't use company mode. I'm in company mode. Oh, well, there we go. Yeah, so let's just run this, see what breaks. Right. So reading of a buffer based on a major mode name, stripping the mode part, resulting languages should match table here. You can add unusual major mode mappings to blah without proper language set suggested maybe poor quality, fair enough. All right, cool. So if I were to kind of like switch to this web, and then I say Copilot, then it doesn't work. Doesn't work. It's weird. I should log in first. Yep. Right. So if I say Copilot login, right? Ah, shit, that was dumb. That was stupid. I don't understand. What was that? weird. Okay, back to the source. Press. Okay. Need to. So, I need to do this on a different screen actually. Okay, I can't do this. Can't do this on a public screen actually. I need to switch to an unknown screen. Then it's not very convenient. Oopsie, oopsie, snap. I gotta switch. Here we go. Continue. Yeah, okay, we're back. Authorize. Okay. Let's see if that works. Oh. That is done. All right, so Copilot. Oh, okay, I'm on the wrong screen. Let's just go there and then we say Copilot mode and then Copilot. All right, so if I do something like here, const example names, right? And then I just do Copilot complete, and then it doesn't work. And all right, so I guess I can select the completion there. I just Copilot. So what are the commands? Completion. All right, cool. So now I have to figure out what the completion framework is. All right, so this one is done. So I have access. That's the first thing that worked. The general configuration. So let's look at this. Load manually. Configure completion. Tab, accept completion. Okay, cool. You may want to bind. This is one thing we could do. I don't know if this is tap, 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 tap. Use tab to accept completions. You may also want to bind Copilot accept completion by word. I think these both do the same thing, right? All right. So I guess I can go back to conf and then here. Config. Okay. So just remove this. Don't need that noise. How do you cycle Copilot cycle Copilot next completion? All right, so I don't even know how this is supposed to work. Oh, and completion. Oh, this is actually an interesting idea because when I say D, this is the framework. Okay, so I have to figure out who fires that. Completion doesn't work. Completion at point. Global key bindings. That's LSP mode. I don't use that anymore. Huh. The question is, who's responsible for handling completions right now? I guess it's not useful. Let me just see. It's a good example. For resolve completions, insert the following example that fire yourself. Okay, so this is good. The help page for the above 95 above. Okay, so we use orderless, which provides a more generous completion resolution frame dynamic. All right. Okay, so we're probably using orderless, which means that if I go here and I do like a function is valid. Okay, I then have to do a valid complete. There we go. So right now, come on. The function copilot except so except completion is a tab, right? But I want to complete next. Let's see. Preview. Okay. There are no bindings for that. Okay, so now we have to figure it out. What would be a next completion? Completion next. Another framework that I use for completions. Orderless. Maybe that's not the way to do it. Try to complete at the current point. Clear overlay. Idle delay. Reporting bugs. Help me a lot. Tab 9. Okay. I believe I will have to complete insert completion at point. Yeah. Okay. So it's going to be the usage model. I can probably yeah. Okay, cool. So I think I have an idea. So if I say tab, all right, we accepted a completion. That's fine. One thing I can play around with, right? That is Copilot. Right, so here, probably do something to the effects of Copilot. Next. Okay, so we're just going to say next completion and then previous completion. And I can do that. Can we, I'm just going to mark this, actually mark as A, say, and then just see what we did differently before. Here we go. Fly make, go to next and previous. Okay, it's fine. So we could Alt Shift. All right, cool. So I'll just do MS next and then MS previous and up previous undefined. Oh, interesting. I don't even know if this is going to work. Next completion, and then we accept. So now I come here again. Maybe I should also need to trigger Copilot mode, right? Mode. Up. Is there something bound to it? Tap to tap, stop. Interactive native compile list one, insert space or attach to the next. Okay, this is not really interesting. I don't want to override it. So if I say that Alt Copilot, capitalized word, super uninteresting. All right, so what if I did that, right? And then I did this. It doesn't really quite work. So how about I do this? Holy crap. Okay, so this is an interesting problem. Oh, crap. Oh, what's the problem here? Split expression. All right, we're just going to work with this. I'm not going to bother. I'm going to do that. Then we're going to eval, and then we're just going to go back to web, right? And then shift Copilot. That didn't work. Copilot complete. Completion is available. So I say function is valid, complete. And then this is weird. And then I say next, 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 tab, done. We can live with this. Alt Shift N. I need to figure out an alternate notation. Alternate notation. If I say this already mapped, so no. And what about dot? That doesn't work either. Well, if I did Alt X, that doesn't work either. That's dumb. Control MI. Yeah, that's maybe the best way to do it. Control M. Huh. This is one binding. Right, so if I say Control M L, that is already bound. And C already bound. Control MI already bound. Gosh, this is annoying. What are we looking for? We're looking for bindings, describe function, describe key. Find by key. Okay, describe bindings. There we go. There we go. What is in this space? There we go. C is there, and Z. All single hand. It's a little bit tricky. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well, Z is available. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Well, what the hell is that then? Undefined. Holy crap. This is an opportunity. So, actually, that didn't capture the imagination. So what if I were to say that doesn't work? Okay. Control C M G. I'll need it once in a while. So if I go here, up, undefined, fine, and then if I'm in that mode, oh, I need to have it on first, right? So of course it wouldn't work. Function is with crap. So Copilot, Copilot mode. Let's try this again. Okay, it's on, and then if I say that, fucking hell, Copilot complete. And I believe, okay, so that doesn't work. I don't even know if, so this is clearly nonsense. What was originally there? Good. Unchanged. Okay, let's find a nice, clean way to trigger this. What are they doing? They automatically enter into Copilot mode. Yeah, and maybe this is actually the most sane way to do it. Yeah, Copilot. Enable predicates to automatically. All right, so just going to pull. There we go, add hook. And then we just drop this to a new line. And I believe I am going to, let's just ignore that. Right, and then go back to that one and here. These are completions. Complete. Actually, we need some more information. So function. Holy crap. Oh, wait a minute. This is slick, actually. This is like usage that I can live with that. I don't need to make any changes. Fair enough, then we just keep whatever is there. Function. But actually, I'll need to remember these MSN, MSP, right? MSN I can remember. Function, MSP, and then wrap it up. Fine. All right, so this is time to wrap up our configuration mess. I don't have to turn this on. It's automatically on. I tangle this into my real configuration. And then this is what some Stack Exchange nonsense for my email related stuff. I'll have to commit this handle draft autosaves. For then here, where are we? We don't need that. Then we can drop this in there. Probably there's a section here that is useless. This thing we can drop. What did this do? Except completion, indent, or complete common nil. If I'm not using completions for Copilot. Okay, so then we just commit the whole circuits, right? And then I think in the Lang example, this is this. So the whole set of changes that's here. Okay, looks legitimate. Sure. Install Copilot for Emacs. Cool, done that. All right, so maybe I should flip back to my. Oh, Ramiro! Holy smokes! Yeah, and no, I haven't given up on streaming. And you said like just install VS Code. Yeah, maybe I should just do that. It's somewhere on my. I thought it was somewhere on my machine. It was somewhere on my machine. I don't know if this is a good one, and be happier instantly. I'm not so sure if I would be happier instantly, but Makes a bunch of folks happy. I don't know, for some reason I feel more comfortable having a good idea of how the underlying tools work. And Ramiro, how you doing? You booked a ticket to Colombia. Holy smokes, August through January. That's gonna be a good time. All right, so let me see the rest of what you said. Filters and keywords. You're making a bot. That's pretty dope. At a bank. Damn, dude. You're on it. You in the tank? Oh yeah, hell yeah. It's pretty hot on here. I don't know. I don't know exactly how warm it is. I probably could ask, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's see. What's a place to temperature? Berlin. Ugh. You can tell it's late. I have a hard time with this. Anyways, outside you can probably spot it's pretty. It's supposed to be pretty dark out there. It's been raining for quite a while. Storming right now. 19 degrees. Not that hot actually, if you read it like this. But it was. I think it was a lot warmer earlier. Yeah, look, today's Monday, and yeah, it was 32 degrees at some point in the day. So yeah. You do weather Berlin. There we go. Thanks, imposter engineer. Life hacks. Cool, cool, cool. So this back. So I'm trying to stay hydrated. And I was just doing some light reading. So there we go. I'm guessing the light reading. I don't know how I mix this up on the same screen, but here I move this over to that screen, then I go back to that screen, then I put them over here, up, and I was sifting through some papers. I don't know where we are. It's not super legible, isn't it? Back to like light mode. How do I do that? Switch back to light mode. Oh, brightness. And I typically have these things. Let me just switch back, and then I can probably also yeah. Oh, here we go. Hey, let me. I can't think about anything right now. Just want to place like some random stuff on it. Yeah, that would be. Mrs. ordering food. All right. Well, let's see. Damn. You don't even have Nightbot. What is Nightbot? I don't have Nightbot, no. I don't know what that is. Is it something on Windows? I switch manually. Sometimes I go from like a light space to a dark space, and then I feel like flipping back and forth is a lot easier for me, at least. Here, I don't even know what's going on here. I use this tool once in a while. Once in a while it works, and then other times it doesn't. Language models. So I don't know if you've heard of this paper. So this paper is an interesting one. We just sifted through parts of it over the weekend. Smaller language models. And they found that for some of the smaller language models, it can replicate some behavior of the large language models, but it does not accurately map the reasoning capability. And I believe this was like a slightly different approach. Was this a different training approach? Let's just find out. Recent researchers focus on enhancing capability of smaller models through imitation learning, drawing on the outputs generated by large foundation models. Vegetables, yeah, that was a lot better. Thank you. Oh, can you leave the door open? Are the windows open? I felt a draft. That was lovely. I'll just put the sandbags in front of the door. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. All right. So what are we looking at? Oh, common Twitch bot. Do you need to have like something like I've totally given up on running this thing with what's this thing called? OBS Studio. That's mostly because of my driver mess. I don't think I'm ever going to fix it or have the time to really sit down to fix it. So yeah, that was my initial. But let's actually look at Nightbot TV. Nothing is required. It's on the cloud. Okay, so I'm just going to open Nightbot. This is kind of like my pathetic situation right now. I have to. Can you actually see this? If I do this, doesn't quite work. Okay, so I have the MacBook out, so I'm gonna log in on the MacBook because there's just no way in hell. There's no way for me to log in on my Linux computer because Twitch doesn't work like that apparently. So Nightbot.tv. Your stream simplified. Chatbot for Twitch, YouTube, and Trovo that allows you to automate your with moderation and new features allowing you to spend more time entertaining your viewers. All right, so how does this work? Like features, login, sign up. Let's find out. Log in with Twitch. I wonder if this conflicts with, let's just authorize. Let's just see what happens. All right. So I'm in. All right, imposter engineer, tell me. You will have to disable some functions. All right. You're the knowledgeable one here. What do I do? Is that somehow that you can like do those the commands, you can run the commands inside of a chat, then it does something. That's kind of cool. I've seen a lot of other streamers do this. Maybe I should watch a video on how it works. All right, cool. Let's check that out. Night. Maybe I should watch it on this one. This my paid YouTube is here somewhere. Okay, YouTube. And then it's going to be Nightbot Twitch. It's a short video, 10 minutes. Einrichten Commands Giveaway Timer German Deutsch. 8 minutes, 2022 tutorial. Twitch stream design. All right. So let me see. Nightbot with StreamYard. Huh. Okay, so I have to set up a channel. That's apparently the first thing I have to do. Yeah, I do. You're not derailing me. I love this. It's good. It will join automatically. You will have to disable some much. You have to mod the Nightbot. All right. And pretty much durch, as they would put it this, as they would say here. So I think I'm very much in the headspace of figuring out something new. Sure, you have modded Nightbot in the channel. If not, you can head to your Twitch channel and type mod Nightbot. Okay, so what's the right screen for this? And then I say /mod mod Nightbot. Ooh, granted moderator privileges to Nightbot. Okay, I can see it on my screen here. Oh, this is actually a fun idea. I can try that. I'm going to, I think the idea here is to get the StreamYard link, invite, and then I copy the link. I drop it inside of like some chat app that has access, that I have access to on this machine, and then I can just share the screen here. So back, and then I get this one, copy link, and there we go. And, it doesn't support StreamYard. Okay, look at me getting derailed. This is fun. I need to install Chrome. So let's do that. Let's install Chrome. Download Chrome. And then on this screen, I come back to that. It's kind of like fun to do some fiddling around again, so I don't mind that. How long does it take to install Chrome, people? Yeah, it's gonna take a minute on my shoddy internet connection. Anyways, I'll close a couple of things that I probably shouldn't have open. There's actually very little open on this screen, so close that. I probably have to. Someone calling. Simon. All right, give me a second. Be right back. Got to take a call. All right, I'm back. So meanwhile, I've installed Chromium and no mic cam access. Allow, and then so we're gonna say beats. Come on, how hard is it to type on a MacBook keyboard? MacBook Pro. Come on, this is enough. And then I mute and enter the studio. Boom. Then I have to mute this one too. Boom. All right, so that's muted. Okay, cool. Muted. Now I have to present, share screen. Don't show these steps again. Share screen. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, open system settings. I have to allow. Oh, come on. How much work do I still need to do? I think we've got that full entire screen. Share. Oh no. Chrome has lost permission to capture your screen. To fix it, go to System Preferences, Allow, Open System Settings, then give that thing permissions. Up, 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 up. Cool. All right, I had to restart Chrome. All right, so what's the deal? I copy over this, then I close it, then I put it in here. All right, we're getting there. Baby stepping. All right, so we mute it, enter studio, present. Okay, so I can see myself on the screen, share screen, entire screen, select share. All right, so here we go. Can I see that? So if I, ooh, this is kind of dope. If I say add to stream, here we go. Messy ordeal. But what we wanted is over here. Okay, cool. Come on. So the Nightbot thing. So this thing we've done. Head to your Twitch channel, type /Nightbot in the chat. We've done that. So what's the deal now? Let me reload. Also, let's see what we can do here. Oh, Boss Ranger, the bot commands for this channel are available at Snap. All right, cool. So we're going to check this out. So nightbot.tv slash vbina the commands, and then I didn't pay attention. Nightbot, was it nightbot.tv slash t, of course, slash t, come on, t slash vb slash commands, and I think imposter engineer typed something, so let's find out. Beep boop, stop posting. Huh. So there's a lot of stuff happening here. What are we seeing? Actually, can I? How many media slots can I add to a screen? Just a single? All right. Most spam protection settings. Where do you see it actually? Spam protection settings. Oh, here you go. Spam protection. Enable blacklist words. Above. Okay. We don't access caps. We don't need that. And access emotes. I don't care. Links. Access emotes. Repetitions. All right. Blacklists. Very permissive Chan, I guess. I don't know what the rest is, what this all does. All right. Giveaways. I don't have that. Thanks, Imposter Engineer. This is some cool stuff. Now I've just figured out how this works. But I do appreciate all these ideas. On the left, I have commands. Yeah. Custom, as you said. Weather relay. Oh, sweet. So I could actually type it in here. Are you for real? So if I were to say like I want to send this to Twitch, and I say like, can I also do it from here? Oh, check default. Yeah. Okay. Here you have. I have to set it up first. Okay. And you, yeah, okay. So you suggested weather, but I need to figure out how to add it. User level everyone. Okay, cool. Most of them are enabled. Create a stream marker in your Twitch channel. That sounds like a cool one. Edit your stream's tags. I like that. Title. Holy smokes. Oh, I should wait. I see your message now. Like it seems like you should be like a mod. Can I do that? Can I make you? How do I make you? I don't know. First of all, I'll follow you. How am I not following you yet? Mod imposter engineer. Boom. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done this. I don't know. I'm sorry. I should have asked you first before I just dropped the ball right in your lap. Sorry for that. Too late now. You can always reject or deny the request to mod. I mean, like modding this chan is like there's hardly anyone here except for you and Stefano once in a while, and sometimes Ramiro. So it's a very tight knit, small group. Oh, cool. So now, by the way, now that you are added as the mod, can you do? Holy smokes, you did it! You're the mod. You can do it. Oh my gosh! Yay! This is dope. This is dope. This is dope. I love this. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm starting to get more motivated to start thinking about changing the setup. I may, is there a way? That's probably too complicated. I'm using StreamYard because I'm lazy to think about how to set up my system. So this kind of like works for me, but it's not a very interactive setup, right? I probably could fix that by figuring out how to get OBS Studio running on this thing, but then as compute cycles, I've seen a lot of other people, they have like some form of, I think you were mentioning at the Imposter Engineer, some form of like not a wall box, but some external device that you capture your video on that goes into Windows computer. On the Windows computer, you have your OBS running. A bunch of streamers seem to do that, but again, that's then a bunch of extra work to figure out. I should first probably figure out how to make the whole thing with channels work well. Yeah, Imposter Engineer. It's been a while since I've spoken with you, but it's right. Like you come into the stream with fire right off the cuff. I love it. All right, docs. Let's get a docs.nightbot.tv. What is Nightbot? Oh, wait a minute. Is there an app? And I just, oh, it's not for iOS or Android. That'd be amazing. Anyways, for Twitch, holy smokes, can I add this to YouTube? How do I add it to YouTube? Okay. All right, so this is interesting actually. So nightbot.t, maybe I should do it here. If I go to this is not Nightbot here. And then integrations. Do I have Discord set up on this thing? This machine really needs to be set up. You can tell that I'm not on this box too often. But if I go to my settings, I can probably figure out, okay, how to add. I can look it up. Nightbot on YouTube. And I have to keep my Twitch channel. All right, JavaScript works. You can build your own commands. Perfect. That's good to know. Imposter Engineer. This is great stuff. Cool. We'll have to look into that. General setup. Here we go. So sign in, blah, blah, blah. Make Nightbot join for YouTube. Will only join channel when you're live and your stream is public. This is due to error rate limits. All right. Make Nightbot join your channel. So I have to head to the home page. All right. So let me see if I'm signed in with on YouTube here. YouTube.com. Am I signed? Ah, snap. Okay, that's going to be a tricky one. Sign in. Okay, I have to figure that out. How do I not leak my passwords? Oh, signed out. I don't even know what my. Do I have a password in here? Okay, well, that clearly wasn't saved. So I will have to pass personal Google password up, and then I'll need to flip over there, and I'll type it in. Nope. Let's see. Show password. All right, cool. Then I have to do some verification on the phone. All right, we're in. We're in. All right, let's follow instructions. Da-da-da-da-da-da. What was this here? Okay. One viewer, 26 followers. I'm almost hitting 30. Oh, this is nice. I like these bots. I've been seeing them around, but if it weren't for you, Imposter Engineer, I would still be completely in the dark. So how do you make a joint channel? So where's the channel? So I open this. Okay. You build positive. Okay, learn more. Cool. All right, so how do I? This is not very immediately obvious how I add. New users want to use, sign in. Begin, head to the Nightbot homepage. All right, so let's just baby step this, .tv. Also, let's switch to the right display. There we go. And then I go back to the login, and then I log in with YouTube. And all right. All right, so we did that. Let me go back to the docs. Upon granting access, you're directed to the Nightbot control panel. There's a central hub, also displays stats. On the dashboard, click the join button. Think of you will have a pop-out instruction. Okay. So can I only do this once? Huh. Do I need to pay for Nightbot to join multiple channels? I am missing something. Let me see. I'm pretty sure that it didn't join YouTube. Not as far as I can tell. I am trying to. I logged in with YouTube, so I'm guessing that it knows, but maybe I just didn't set it up correctly. Let me go back. What do I have to do here? There's something that isn't completely obvious. If I say /mod, doesn't seem like a YouTube command. Okay, let's just see. Nightbot to YouTube. Probably a blog article that talks about it. Nightbot setup guide. All right. Okay, we did that. Ooh, we didn't do that. Ah. Huh. All right, interesting. Okay. It will take some time to join the chat. That's what he said. Huh. Okay. All right. So. Maybe I should do it on this computer actually. So let me. All right. So that's the computer. It's screaming, streaming, screaming. If I go to nightbot.tv and I log in, it's kind of weird that I have to. I'm now logging in with multiple different accounts now. This is weird. So the fundamental question here is whether in the same Nightbot account manage multiple channels, because from the login experience it seems that you can only Nightbot from. Okay, here we go. Maybe there's an answer. Each Nightbot account is tied to a single streaming. Okay, current not possible. Okay, fair enough. So I just continue with this. All right, so I join the channel. Then I have to enter this into the moderators lists. And where do I find this? Dashboard. All right, so here we go. I have to go to my dashboard in YouTube, youtube.com. Where's the dashboard? Come on. Where's that? Your channel, maybe I find it there. Nope. But if you go to community, probably find a way to channels. That's not it. About. YouTube. This is not it. Okay, I'm doing something weird. Where do we go? This person went to your channel. So manage videos. Is that the Creator Studio? Let's see if that's the interface I need. Super slow. Well, this looks semi-familiar. So where was that? So dashboard, and then somehow we end up in settings. Here we go, settings, and then channel, community, of course, add managing moderator. What happens? Settings saved. All right, so let's see what happens here. Did we do that right? Just double check. Community, standard moderators or managing moderators. Or did they just had, okay, fair enough. They just had Nightbot. Well, we have that. Approved users. All right, cool. So let's just youtube.com/ what is it? VBina? I don't know. Just guessing here. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see if you go to my channel. All right, mute this. All right, it's not here. Well, not here. You're right. Is this from Twitch? Is this like linked through StreamYard? Oops, this computer is shutting down. Need some power. Be right back. And plugging this in over here so we can keep it going. Cool. All right. Plugged in. Is it? Yeah, it is charging. All right. So do I? Well, the moderator can take like 5 minutes to show up. So okay, fine. Du-du-du-du-du. Okay. Yeah, it's not there yet. Oh my goodness, this is kind of cool. You are on both platforms. Well, it's not there. It's not there yet. Um, I did apparently save this. So, and somewhere I heard, at least in this video, they mentioned it might take like 5 minutes. Let's look, continue listening. Yeah, save the settings. Maybe uh, up to 5 minutes. Gotcha. Gotcha. All right. All right. So let's try to set it up. So make this a bit bigger. Yeah, and then I can set up some commands, custom or default. Is there a Discord command? Okay, let's figure out how they set it up. Okay, all right. All right, cool. So I need to then figure out Discord. And that means I have to add command. How do I add a custom command? Add command, and then I just do the same thing they did. Oh, ah, come on. All right, so clearly I have to do this again. These things are typically not a quick fix, as I'm hoping for them to be. Update your username. We're asking everyone to update to unique usernames from discriminators. All right, get started. Yeah, next. Yeah, got it. Got it. All right, so here we go. And how do I fix here, sign in, scan QR code. This is probably like a security problem waiting to happen. Someone else could have scanned that. All right, we're talking. Cool. Now I have to also passwords are Pika. Here we go. So how do I get the invite link? Invite people. That's the copy invite link. And that means I can just do Discord message. Join or Discord. Up. Use level, everyone cooldown 5 seconds, alias. Bam. That's, I guess. All right, that works. Well, just following the tutorial. Meanwhile, I should just keep an eye out for the Twitch channel. Oh, BRB, let me eat lunch. Enjoy your lunch, imposter engineer. Yeah, it didn't join YouTube because you need to set it up separately. Different accounts for different channels. Timers. Holy smokes, this is like some next level stuff. All right, how does this work? You can basically configure timers to remind people that to subscribe. Oh my goodness, this is funny. All right. All right, so let's do that. Add. timer. We call it reminder Twitter. Let's see what a good example is. That's, I don't want to do it after 10. Okay, so that is interesting. Let me go back to the dashboard. Then I go back to the life, close, and then this is not the last one. This is not a current one. How do I find my current stream? There we go. It's only one watching. I don't know if I don't think that my Nightbot is here yet. Well. So we could do reminders. So we're gonna do every 2 lines. Let's just do every 10 lines. We don't have like a very active. So we say FLIN. Don't forget. What's that? Twitter.com.vb. I guess that's the URL. All right. So that's Nightbot and Twitter. Latest updates on my antics. About random topics. Maybe not so random. Pray. How does that work? That's the bird. Bluebird. Get the latest episode. All right, every 15 minutes. Okay, submit. There we go. Interesting. Reminder Twitter. And then we put another one in there every reminder YT. Subscribe. Please subscribe to our chan, our YT chan. What's the URL? How do I get the URL for this? I don't even know how I share this. Customize channel. Probably not the right place to do this. I don't know. Basic info. This is it. Custom URL. Just set it up. To the YT chan. Or follow on Twitch, which is what Twitch. I think I have that there, which I can copy. I can close. Notified of streams and camera. Well, that's the wrong camera. Camera, video. That's camera, video. Then this is the one I need, and megaphone. And probably we can edit the reminder on Twitter. That could be every 4 lines. Probably that's fine. And then on the dashboard, are we actually in something now? I don't know. I am in the chan. top chatter, imposter engineer. We can tell. So this thing is in the channel right now. Should be able to. Oh, here we go. Giveaways, chat. So it's there. Cool, cool, cool. This is kind of dope. I like this. One thing I needed to do. Oh, I can connect it to the Discord. Yeah, login. Come on. Do I have to do this again? Scan QR. Here we go. Yes, log me in. Okay, start talking. You can add the Discord invite link as a command like DC. Yes, I'll do that. Good point. I just did that for the YouTube. I just like exclamation Discord should work for the YouTube channel, and I'm going to set up the same one for join server. Hello. I'm going to set up the same one for select the server, Edmina, continue, authorize. I am human. Thanks for asking. Cool, cool, cool. Moderator role. I don't know. What's the distinction here? Regular role, moderator role. Nightbot, regular role, Nightbot, subscriber role, Nightbot. I don't know what it is. If you want Nightbot to auto-sync YouTube moderators and Nightbot regulars, check this. Note, Nightbot will remove people from the moderator role and regular role if they are not a YouTube moderator or Nightbot regular. I don't think I understand. Nightbot Discord role syncing. Same commands can be used in Discord channels. All right. Yeah, of course. I do want people to join the Discord. That would be fun because that's usually even in my pocket when I'm on the road. So this was what you posted. You can add a Discord invite link as a command. Yep. If you want people to join a Discord, yeah, but this allows Nightbot to work on Discord server. Yep. And same commands can be used. Awesome. That is kind of cool. Okay, now I get you. So all the commands I configure inside of Nightbot will work in Discord once it's a moderator. Fine. Cool. So let's read this. Quick guide. No idea what Discord is. Blah blah blah. If you don't have a Discord account, blah, blah, make one. Click and connect will open up a pop-up where you will allow Nightbot to access your discount account information. Upon granting access, you'll then be able to add Nightbot to a Discord server. Select your server from the drop-down list and click authorize. Nightbot should now be your Discord server. It's given a Discord role named Nightbot with the permissions you just granted. You can modify the role's permission and colors as wanted. As all of your Nightbot commands will now be functional in your Discord server. All right. Cool. For further customization, click the settings button for your server on the Nightbot integrations page. For each user level, select a Discord role. For each user level, select a Discord role. For moderators, regulars, and subscribers, enabling role syncing will auto-sync. In order to sync users. Okay, so Discord. What are Discord roles? I am guessing moderator role, regular. Interesting. Is that something I have set up in my? Oh, there it goes. Do I have Discord running? Okay. All right, there we go. Doing this in. All right, so tell me, Discord, how do you work? Weird. Okay, if I close this, this is the chat. Server settings. La 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 la. Roles. Oh, all right, cool. All right, so Nightbot. I don't know what these roles are. I really don't know. Let's create. All right, so regular. Members use the color of the highest role they have on this list. Drag roles to reorder them. Regular. Yeah, what is this? Make it green. We call it regular. It's just a regular role. All right. This will let you test what actions to. Oh, let me scroll down and see. Rocks are really old. Permissions. Send messages. Send message threads. Add reactions. Don't need to send voice messages. So let's just say regular. We save that, right? And then we create another role. We're gonna call this subscriber. That's green, blue, beautiful blue, or actually beautiful pink. Display rolled members separately from online members. Allow anyone to mention his role. Okay. Permissions. Few channels. Manage server, create invite, change nickname. Yeah, fair enough. Send messages in threads. Create public threads, why not? Add reactions. Yeah, I don't even know what the rest is. I'll just save. Cool. So, Nightbot. Manage by integration. All right, so I feel like, right, cool. So the moderator role, that's the Nightbot role, then the regular, I gotta close this, and then settings. Right, so this is gonna be Nightbot, regular, subscriber. Not even sure what the distinction is. Update. All right, so let's see what's going on. I wonder if it doesn't get quite messy with. I think we did it right. I figured we're already set up. It's weird. Did I? Okay, fair enough. I don't know what's going on. Okay, now we have, okay, so I removed that one. Did we ruin it? Settings? No service yet. Okay, fine. We figure this out again from scratch. Blah, blah, blah. Continue. Authorize. Yes, I am human. If it happens a couple times too many, might be a problem. Nightbot joined the party. Cool. That means moderator is that, regular is that, subscriber is this, role syncing update. All right, update it. So I can close this. Timers. Let's actually see how the YouTube thing is looking right now. So I can close that. Close this. That doesn't really work. It does not really work. Cool. Da-da-da. All right, I can hide that. Alrighty, three folks somewhere in this channel or in the stream. Super dope. Can I figure out what a breakdown is? 2 from Twitch. Yeah. 2 viewers. Can I get a sense of where they are from? All right, so now I go back to the Twitch screen. Man, can I figure this out? Ah, people. I am struggling, am I not? Maybe I should change the title. Config fiddling with Nightbot. Maybe that should be a hash. Oh, well, of course, is it Shift 4, Shift 3? yeah. What is this? Nightbot. Oh, here we go. Nightbot. Well, I have too many already, so whatever. We are not going to make that work, huh? Done. Da-da-da. So. There's engagement. Discovery. Can I see who's here? 4 views from Twitch. Russia, Argentina, Germany. All right, can't really tell what's going on. Baby streamer problems. Anyways, I think this was a good day. Just getting warmed up to the whole streaming thing again. Next week, we're going to walk through some user interfaces. Yep. And for more or less all of my streams, I'll have to keep this thing open, the MacBook open, so I can actually watch what's going on. Minus 27 from last stream. It's not a very promising streaming career, I have to say. But yeah, I'm also not there every day. And I've been told I should be streaming more frequently, shorter streams. So I should really stay away from the over 1 hour streams, according to a couple of folks. So that's something I'm going to be experimenting with over time. But yeah, I don't know. I can't figure this out. I can't figure out where to look. Where do I look, people? Manage goals. Can I raid a channel? I don't have enough people to raid. Also, none of the people I'm following are live, so I guess there isn't much to raid, isn't it? Yeah, I definitely wouldn't. I definitely wouldn't bet on that. For me, that is definitely not in the stars. I'm just streaming for fun. I've been joking around that I'm just streaming to have like some data in the cloud that maybe I can train a future model on. Like, it's probably not going to be a GPT model. It's going to be something else. Maybe 2 years down the line, it's going to be a different architecture, and I'm just going to feed it. It's probably going to be like image bind derivative. I'm going to feed it a bunch of my information, my video streams, and it will be basically able to replicate me looking busy. I don't know how useful that is. Definitely not useful. Exactly. Try to replicate yourself. Me looking busy doing useless stuff, fiddling around with Emacs, making Git commits to projects that no one cares about. Yeah. Good folks. Imposter Engineer, it was good seeing you. I'm going to go get some dinner and then segue out into some prep work for some other stuff I have to do. It's been good fun being back. I've almost forgotten how fun this is. I think I went through a little bit of a semi-dark period, being frustrated with some other stuff and then forgetting how much fun I can have when you just stop giving a crap and you just stream for the lols. So yeah, there's a lesson there for me. Good luck with the 4-hour training. What kind of training is it? Hospitality related? Was that a case? I believe, right? Department chair training. Oh, all right, department chair. All the best with that one. Was good having you back. Have a lovely rest of the day. Talk soon. I'm gonna be figuring out that night owl stuff offline. Yeah. All right, folks. That's it. Another stream. Ciao, ciao.